Welcome to the show. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic that merges programming and performance. Mutable data structures for Ruby's Ractors. Yes, you heard that right. If you're a Ruby enthusiast or just someone trying to scale applications beyond the notorious global VM lock, you're in for a treat. So let's kick things off, shall we? Imagine you've got a bustling bakery, but instead of one oven, you want multiple bakers working in parallel. That's kind of what Ractors do for Ruby. They allow multiple threads of execution, like your different bakers, to work efficiently without stepping on each other's toes. But of course, this introduces a challenge. How do they share data safely without a chaotic dance? And this is where our star player today, Ratomic, comes into the picture. Ratomic provides us with these Ractor-safe data structures. Basically, well-behaved containers that allow our bakers to share ingredients without spilling flour all over the floor. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How does this actually work? Well, let me break it down. Ratomic offers a few handy structures like counters, pools, maps, and queues. Take the Ratomic counter, for instance, which allows us to increment, decrement, and read values safely across multiple Ractors. Imagine you're tracking how many cupcakes each baker makes. Using a counter ensures everyone gets an accurate count without any mix-ups. You start at 0, ink by 1, or even by 5, as you keep track of your busy bakers. Next, there's the Ratomic pool. Picture it as a well-organized station where your bakers can grab tools without fighting over them. This pool lets multiple Ractors access resources comfortably and efficiently. So instead of everyone scrambling for the same whisk, they can grab a designated tool from the pool. Then we have Ratomic Map. It's a bit like a menu, where you can look up what each baker has made at any point in time. You can store key value pairs safely, and even modify values atomically, meaning no half-baked data here. And let's not forget about the Ratomic queue. Think of this as a checkout line in the bakery. Multiple bakers can add cakes to the queue without any of them getting overwhelmed or confused about who made what when it's time to serve customers. This all sounds fantastic, right? But here's the thing, this project is still brewing. If you're out there and you have knowledge of Rust and Ruby C extensions, they could really use your expertise. And hey, even if you don't, this could be a great opportunity to challenge yourself and dive into something new. Wouldn't it be cool to contribute to something so pivotal in the Ruby community? It's about pushing the boundaries while learning and solving problems along the way. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this thought. As the programming world continues to evolve, how will you adapt? Ractors and Ratomic are just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining me today as we explored these innovative tools for Ruby. If you found this information helpful, keep your eyes peeled for more discussions on how we can optimize our code and enhance our development practices. Until next time, stay curious and keep coding.